Alright folks, I'm here with my friend the Rubik's Cube. I have not solved the Rubik's Cube in so long. Now, I'm going to try to solve this. Let me tell you, I'm coming to you on Wednesday night, March 6th, 2019. Just so you know, I didn't record this in the past, and I'm just recycling a video. Again, it is Wednesday night, March 6th, 2019, and I want to say happy birthday to my friend Jay. Now, I want to say this for the record. This cube is impossible to be solved if you don't mess it up first. We have to mess it up, don't we? So let's go ahead and mess it up. Let's just get into it. All right. Oh no, he's messing it up. He's never gonna solve it again. Woo! I'm scared. I'm messing it up. You're probably thinking he'll never solve it again. That's it. Like, he bought this, he went to the store, he bought it, and he just took it out of the box, and now he's messing it up. And he doesn't know what he's doing. Alright, is this good? Is this, like, really messed up now? Maybe? You guys think? What do you think? Alright, so, oh, too much orange. There's too much orange in here, isn't there? Let's break up the orange a little bit. Let's break it up. You can't really mess this up like, you know, putting colors all over the place. Now, I want you to know, I'm not going to cheat like most people do. I'm not going to take it apart and put it back together. I'm not going to take the stickers off. By the way, you can't take the stickers off. You can't just take the stickers off. You can't, like, no way. So let's go ahead. We're going to start with the white, and let's just get it done. If this gets too boring, I will speed this up for you guys. This should take me no more than 5 minutes, but 5 minutes could bore you. So let's go ahead and we'll speed it up a little while from now. All right. So let's do it. Now, pay attention, because I want you guys to learn how to do this. I'm sharing this with all my friends. This is the unlisted YouTube video, by the way. Alright. Got a scratch here on my back. Okay, so keep on going. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. By the way, the trick is to get the cross first, the middle. Don't get the corners. Okay, until after. Ooh, let's get this guy. Okay, keep on going, keep on going, keep on going. And let's see what else do we want to put in here. Oh, just messed it up. Alright. And finally, we got one more to go. One down, and was it 8 down, 1 to go? Okay. The hardest part of this for me is turning it. It always gets stuck. Alright, so we got the white. Not only do we get the white, we got the first third of the cube also. You see how they're all, like, together? So that's pretty cool. And those colors are even matched, like, those colors are matched up with the middles that they're next to. Pretty neat. Alright, now we're going to go for the second row. You don't go for the next side. Everybody tries to get the sides. You go for the next middle row. Let's go ahead and do that. Now, pay close attention, because you're going to do this after, when we're done. Okay. Alright. And the idea is not to mess up what you've already gotten solved. You don't want to do that either, do you? That's the hard part. Everybody says, oh, but how do you solve it and not mess up what you already solved? Like those sides. Well, you'll figure it out. You'll figure it out. Or I'll figure it out, something like that. Now, I want to ask you guys something. Do you notice what I'm doing here? Pay close attention and tell me what you think I'm doing. Let's try this again. Here we go. I'm doing a pattern. Have you noticed I'm doing a pattern? If you think I'm going to solve this randomly, I'm not that much of a genius. Alright? So, what else are we doing here? Okay, so we almost got the middle side here. Let's just keep on going till we solve it. Okay. And we got one more. Now, this is 8 turns. This pattern's 8 turns. I'll show you right now. Count it. I'm not going to count out loud, so you guys can do it for me. Alright, so 1, 2. Turn! Damn this thing. Okay, so that was 8 turns, and we got the whole middle row now. So we got white, we got the first 2 rows, now we just got the last third of the cube and of course the last side. So let's go ahead and go for that now. Okay. Alright, here we go. Let's see here. I'm not trying to hold this thing. Okay, anyway. I'm going to go for the whole yellow here, by the way. For those of you, I'm going for the yellow side. Keeping the white and the first 2 rows as well. Okay, here we go. This is a pattern, by the way. You guys notice this? Here's the yellow. Got the yellow done. Got the yellow, got the white, and we still have the first 2 rows. Oops. Yeah, the first 2 rows. Now we just got to get that last row and we're good to go. I mean, how do we do that? We're not messing up the rest of the cube? Again, our good friend, the pattern. Alright, so let's see. Let's just finish this cube up. All 6 sides. Alright, let me do this. How do we do it without messing it up? This is the hardest pattern out of all of them, I think. I don't even know how much how many turns this is. I have no clue. Alright, and at this point we have 3 sides now. So we got the yellow, blue, and we got the white. Now we gotta get the green is in the wrong place, is in the red, shouldn't be. The orange is in the green, that's in the wrong place, and the red is inside the orange. So how do we move those around without messing up the sides we've already gotten? We got the white and we got the blue and we got the yellow. So let's go ahead and finish this up. Uppity up. So let's see what we got here. I didn't speed the video up, didn't I? No, I'm almost done with this thing anyway. Okay. This is we're going to solve it right here. All 6 sides right now. And there we go. It's all solved again. 6 patterns. Have to memorize the patterns, folks. I got it done. So I'm not a rocket scientist here. I'm not a genius. I didn't just randomly solve it. And if I did that, I'd be here for years. Okay? Anyway, enjoy. Here you go.